Hi guys, this is Vishakha. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to create this Navratri look by doing the smoky eye. I hope you enjoy this video. I have already moisturized my skin. Next I am using primer to minimize my pores, and next I'm going to use this Insight orange color corrector for my dark spots, and this is going to cancel out all the darkness on my skin. Whichever area is dark I have applied over there. I'm blending this using my fingers, so you have to gently dab it in so it will evenly spread it. I'm using Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. This is a medium coverage foundation and it is very good for dry skin types. And those who don't know, I'm also a dry skin type, and this foundation I'm blending it with a brush as it gives more coverage than a beauty blender. So I prefer using brush with this particular foundation. And the leftover I'm going to apply it on my neck. To brighten, I'm using Swiss Beauty Concealer. This is in the shade 03 Light Moon. This is little light for me, so it's going to work as a brightening concealer. Then blending it with the same brush which I use for foundation and corrector. Then for contouring, I'm using my Wet n Wild eye palette, and in this I'm using the dark brown shade as a contour shade. I usually try using less products, like I try to use one product in many different ways, and always remember to dab off the excess products. Now taking the same product and applying on my cheekbone, and you should always start from the place where you see your hairline and then do back and forth. And I try using single brush, so for that always keep a tissue with you. You just have to rub it on a tissue paper and all the product will come off. Then your brush is ready for the next product. Now from the same palette I'm taking this pink color for my blush, and I want my face to look a little lifted, so I'm going to apply on my half cheek and take it till the temple of my head. Next I'm taking this Sugar Arch Arrival eyebrow definer in this shade Cherry Brown. So firstly I like to comb in my eyebrows with a spoolie so that all the excess product which is stuck in this will be removed, and then I start with the filling process. Let me come closer and show you how I fill in my eyebrows. I just hold this stick very softly and I start giving small strokes wherever I feel there is a gap. Now in the end, to even out everything, I just comb once again with the help of spoolie. Next I'm using this Faces Canada's Weightless Stay Matte Compact Powder, and this is with the SPF 20. Next I'm going to move on to the eyes, and I'm using this Makeup Revolution eye palette, and I'm going to use this dark brown color and this black shade. So firstly I'll take this dark brown color and dab off the excess and then start blending in the crease area. Okay, let me come closer for you guys so that you can see it properly. Next I'm taking this Faces Magnetic Kajal and applying it along my top lash line, and in the next step I'm going to smudge this out. Next, to intensify the effect, I'm going to top it up with a black eyeshadow. Now blend it very nicely to give a smooth effect. After this again I'm going to clean my brush, take the same brown color and apply on the crease area so that no harsh edges appears. Now taking this silver glitter shade and applying it on my lid using my fingers. Now one last time I'll take the brush and blend it in. After that I'm going to take the kajal and apply it on my lower waterline and I'm going to smudge it out. There is a fallout under my eyes, so I'm going to cover it up with a concealer. Next I'm going to use this Lakme Iconic Mascara, and this is a good everyday use mascara. Next I'm using this Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick in the shade Bombay. This is a beautiful nude color. This is one of my favorite. For highlighter, I'm using Sugar Contour de Force mini highlighter palette in the shade Champagne Champagne. I'm applying it on the high points of my face like cheekbone, forehead, bridge of my nose, on the chin, on my cupid's bow. Applying bindi, applying tika, and now I'm good to go for my Dandiya party or Navratri celebration. I hope you like this look. That's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked my video and if you found it interesting, then do give a thumbs up. और अगर अभी तक आपने subscribe नहीं किया है, then please go and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.